Hi, Dave Coble from MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing aboard a 2021 280 SLX. This is a gorgeous boat. These are really sporty. They're great for the family. If you want to pull a skier, they're great. They can also get you around. These things cut through the water really well. As you come forward, you'll notice, first off, we've got some seats where you've got a nice, easy way to transition from sitting out here or just putting these down and kicking back all the way. It's great. You can really find a good position to relax in. Right here, got an insulated cooler, so you never have to run up to the front of the boat to grab a refreshment. Stereo remote. One of the great things now, your platform and your tower power right here, so you can work all that if you're needing to put it on a dock. Something great that they've done. Your power is right here. You can turn it on and off as you get on the boat or off of it, and don't have to worry about ever running your battery down from something being left on. Now, if you'll notice, this has a folding tower. It's a great option if you need to get over something or have a dock that has some height limitations. This one is actually equipped with the Fusion tower speakers, and the sound that's going to come out of these is amazing. You'll notice this boat is appointed with a really nice stereo system. We got speakers everywhere, sub, amps. If you are a music person, this thing's already set up for you. Seamless twin screen here, the Simrad screen, it all flows together. Everything works really nicely. It all talks to each component, communicates to the next one. It's all seamless. It's been working really well for us. And it's got a nice spot for a cooler down here that slides in and out, and it's stowed where it's not in your way. You know, that's the thing about boats. You always run out of storage and space first, and there's a ton of storage in this boat. Lots of room. I'm a big guy, take up some real estate, and I can walk by people not even rubbing shoulders. Double Helm seat here in case you want to be next to your loved one as you're riding down the water. It's just a great feature. You know, one of my favorite things to do is ride along with my arm around my wife. As you come forward, you'll notice one of the really nice things about these boats, they have really tall sides. I have a long torso, so sometimes I feel like maybe I'm exposed in the front of a boat. But if you'll notice, when I sit down here, I'm up to my armpit, and where my arm just kind of lays on this, and you feel really secure, and there's a natural handle. You're never going to feel like you're going to, come out of the boat. It's just a great ride. You'll be high out of the water and miss a lot of those waves because of the way the SLXs ride. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate it. If you'd like to take a closer look at this boat, give us a shout. You can reach us at 573-365-5382. Again, my name's Dave Coble.